Mammogram is an imaging test that uses a safe, low-dose X-ray to capture detailed pictures of the breast. During the procedure, a trained radiologic technologist will ask you to stand in front of the mammography machine. One breast is positioned at a time on a flat support platform. A second flat panel, known as a compression paddle, is then gently lowered to hold the breast in place. This compression helps spread the breast tissue evenly and prevents movement, which could otherwise blur the image. Although the pressure may feel slightly uncomfortable, it should not be painful. The compression typically lasts only 20 to 30 seconds. While the breast is compressed, an X-ray beam passes through the tissue from above. The image is either captured on a special film plate beneath the breast or recorded digitally and stored in a computer system. On the mammogram, dense tissue such as tumors or calcium deposits appear bright white, while fatty tissue looks darker or gray. Once the first image is taken, the compression is released and the technologist adjusts the position of the machine. The breast is repositioned, gentle compression is applied again, and a second X-ray image is obtained from a different angle. After the examination is completed, the images are processed and sent to your doctor or radiologist for careful evaluation and interpretation.